Holiday World! Alright, we are at stop number 2 on the roller coaster road trip. We are down at Holiday World. Here's Raven. Mackenzie, what are we here to ride?
Voyage and Thunderbird mainly, right?
Voyage and Thunderbird mainly, that's right. But we'll probably get Raven and Legend too.
Legend's a legend because it hurts so dang bad.
It is kind of rough this year, isn't it? We're gonna get Wildebeest and Mammoth too?
Yeah, probably.
While we're in the water park?
Yeah, and I also want to get the racing slides.
You want to get what? The racing slides?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, that sounds like a plan. It's gonna be hot today.
Yeah, so?
We ready?
You spend like 10 hours in the shop, so you
Yeah.
just can't feel much warmer.
Yep, you're right. Cookies. Smile, Goofy.
Yeah.
You got some sun today. Your cheeks are rosy. Or you're just hot. I know.
You're an all-star. Get your game.
You're goofy. Have you had fun at Holiday World today? Yeah. Would you recommend this place to people?
Big time.
Yeah. What's your favorite ride here? What's your favorite water slide here? Do you like Mammoth or Wildebeest better?
I have no idea.
I think I like Wildebeest better.
Well, if it wasn't for my toe cramping, I would have loved the Wildebeest.
Right. Until later.
Yay!
For our 11th and final ride on Voyage of the day, where are we riding, Mackenzie?
Front row.
Front row, ride number 11. We're up next.
Yeah.
And then we're heading home because it's been a long day.